Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Universe Jarvis. It's been a while, but I did get a few new things. Actually, I've been getting a lot of new things. So maybe what I need to do is actually do a video of all the stuff that I've been buying. It's been a lot of shoes, needless to say. But anyhow, so this is a Sprayground video. It's not anything else. So, got two boxes here with some really cool stuff. And maybe stuff I didn't necessarily need, but with most of these videos, do I actually really need any of this stuff or am I just shopping? Anyhow, so let's get into the first box. Now, I kind of started getting these a while back and I really like them, although storing them is kind of an issue. So I did actually order something that came earlier in the week to be able to kind of display / store, I guess. But let's jump into the first box, and I'm not really sure which one this is, but we will see. So, box is open, of course. It's funny, I actually opened this one first, so can't see around that cardboard, can you? So, I am super excited about this, actually. So, do you know what this is? Can you tell? It is one of the Teddy Backpacks, or Teddybear Backpacks from Sprayground. Now, this one, I actually thought it was out of stock. Maybe it wasn't. So, the other half was kind of like, hey, you should go ahead and order that. So I did. This is so much freaking fun. Let's get them out of the plastic. And I always talk about how much fun these bags are. Does it say, you know, open up the love? That's actually a new one. Usually it says something like rip open. So let's get this out of here. Oh, this is so freaking awesome. I love this already. So this is the Myth Life Teddy, which he's got Myth Life on his stomach. He's actually pretty cool. I actually like the way he looks a little bit better. And one thing that they did with these that some of the other ones that I have, they didn't do, you can actually take the little money off. I've got, I think, 3 others, and you can't. So I guess this was something new that they started. And this is kind of gross. Looks like somebody actually might have, maybe that happened when it was getting packed. So that's somebody's hair. So that's pretty cool. Not really. Huh, kind of grossed me out. But anyway, so that's the bear. So let's see what we got on here. We got unicorn going across his little right leg, money sign, got a diamond, follow your dreams. The embroidery on these is what really gets me. Like, it's really, really nice. I don't really think these are practical for anything else. And he's got some little rainbow hair there. And he's got 2 different multicolored wings. Now, he actually reminds me a lot of the space one that I have, although that one's probably by far my favorite. But he's got a couple extra accents that I think are really, really nice. And I'm going to actually open this up because now I'm kind of curious that I found that hair, but it might have just been from somebody packing it. I guess he's fine. I don't see anything crazy. Now, that's the inside. That's the bigger part. It actually is kind of made like the backpacks where it's got this little, you can't really see that well, but a little sleeve in here. But you can't really carry a lot in these. That's why I'm kind of like, these are, to me, a little bit more decorative than anything else. Because, I mean, honestly, what are you really putting in these things? I mean, you can carry it, of course, because it's a backpack. But, I mean, there's not really much you can put. Because even, like in there, there's a zipper pocket right there. I mean, you could probably fold up some cash and stick it in there. And they're also pretty darn big as well. So, that's the Myth Life guy. I'm going to open this up one more time because I am kind of, okay, I guess just in how it was packed and how he's been sitting. So what I'm actually going to end up doing, you can't really see the wall all the way behind me. I've got some command hooks and I got what I could find for the bigger weights. I got 5-pound ones, which these should fit on it fine because I don't think these weigh 5 pounds, if anything, probably about 3. So I'm probably going to just take, you know, the straps like that and just have them kind of hanging out on the wall because really don't have a lot of space. I have to take you guys in the closet. So we're going to put Myth Life over here. He's good to go. And I'm going to open up the other bag. They did another drop that I was kind of going back and forth about. It was another special ops release, but I can't think it was special ops something. So some kind of another special ops, as I showed you guys, that was that kind of satin green. But they have a bear. And of course it's got a lot of cargo pockets because it's special ops. But the bear is, instead of 90 like this guy was, 95 I guess. I pay for shipping, which is odd. That one was 150, which you could honestly get the book bag, or it would be better to just buy the whole set and all the pieces than that. Oh yeah, this one here, he is really, really nice. I'll show you guys the box. I'm seeing all in it. So, box, flap, turn remove cardboard, though. Can you see that? That is pretty amazing. Now, I don't want to butcher the name, so that's why I was looking at my phone. But, oh man, he is really, really nice. Wow. So you can't see all that well through the paper, or the plastic. I'm gonna open it up. Oh man, this is nice. This is the first one of these that I have that's made out of like the, it's not leather, it's PU, so it's polyurethane leather. But, oh wow, this is really nice. Oh man. So check that out. This is the Gold Rush teddy bear. And he is for sure a Gold Rush. This is amazing. I mean, it's got a nice feel. I mean, this one would definitely be like a lot more, you know, I guess weather resistant if you were to carry it out. But gosh, this is going to be a great display piece. Wow, this is really nice. And you can take, you know, the little money off. Like, I feel like I'm holding like a gold robot situation. This is amazing. He doesn't have as many like little stitching things. It's got the follow your dreams right there on the cheek like they all typically do. You know, his nose, there's some embroidery there. Ear's a little bent up from being in the box, but that's par for the course. So we've got the little zipper pocket. Now I am noticing a few things, like I guess right there was kind of where the zipper, you probably can't see because it's so shiny. And then there's a little bit, I don't know if that's glue or, no, it's not, it's like some adhesive that apparently will rub right off. So I almost thought the finish was messed up for a second there. I was going to get a little bit upset. And then the back, I'm going to open this because I'm curious how this... So this is interesting. It's almost like with this one... So this does go all the way down. You guys can kind of see my hand in there, but it's not as open as the other one. Which I guess maybe they made it a little bit different because it's made out of a different material. So there's really not as much room in the back of this one, to be honest. It's actually a lot less space. But I will say the details on this is, the detail is amazing. Really good job. And honestly, at this point, it's just collecting these because I don't think I'll ever actually carry one. I do have a mini camo one that I may carry at some point, but even it's not really that practical to do anything with. But those are my two guys. It's really nice. They actually just had another drop today. I mean, if you're watching this today, because I'm planning on getting it uploaded. But that's pretty much it. I really like that other set that I was telling you guys about, but I don't think I'm going to do it because I think it's like 4 something. But anyway, it's the holiday season, so I'm sure I'll probably have something else to put up here at some point. You guys know my site, universearts.com. Forgive me, I always say this, and I have not done it yet. I'm going to need to start working on it. I just have to get motivated. It's kind of, you know, tough between work and things like that. You're kind of like, eh. But I have been productive. Did a lot last weekend or Thanksgiving weekend. Got some stuff done around the house. This is actually a different room that I'm not normally in. I've done some videos in here, but I don't do it as often as I do probably in the living room. This is the game room / guest room, so there's a lot going on in here. I won't say a lot going on, but it's kind of multifunctional space, I guess. But until next time, and do not forget, before you click off this video, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up, and comment. I love having conversations with you guys. So until next time, Universe Jarvis is out.